Hello, my name's Shoshana and you're watching Shoshana's Little Space. Happy New Year. I thought I would start as I mean to go on as far as the new year goes, and this is going to be one of my first videos. Now, I would have done a tech one. I thought it best to maybe start initially with my other love, which is going to be crocheting. And the main thing with this video is I'm going to look at just doing short pockets of tutorials, the first of which is how to actually do a a beginning loop, which is a slip loop that will enable us to get started with regards to doing a chain. Now, in front of me that I'll be using, it's a bamboo based needle. It's for your first project, I'd recommend using a hook of the size 5.0 millimeters. The yarn itself is just any 4-ply yarn, just something thick enough to where you've got your hands around it. Now, when I was little, Mum taught me to do this first loop as just a normal sort of beginnings of a knot. So I'd basically just do a very simple almost knot like first loop and then do the chain from there. In contrast, what I tend to do is this simple method of twisting the yarn around your fingers and essentially holding it in place, putting your needle through the hole and pulling this through. Now, the one advantage with this is that yes, you have the same slip loop that you do your chains with, and as you can see, I can just put my yarn over my needle and just do a couple of links there. The main nice thing is the fact that if you decide to say to yourself, oh, I'm not liking that, I can hold one end and then pull it completely free, as you can see. So what I want to do is just show you how to do that. Now, first and foremost, you locate the yarn on your marriage ring finger, hold it in place with your thumb. Make sure you've got your index and your middle finger free. Now you're going to roll around those two fingers twice. The second time when you do it, you'll see a cross at the front, but if you turn your fingers over, you will see two lines at the back. Now if you notice with the green coloration of the yarn, that's going to be what we're going to catch through the hole. Now if you notice, I've held the yarn in place with my remaining free little pinky finger, and I'm pulling through that green yarn now. And you can see that it's free enough to where I can pull my other two fingers through, and here you have it. You've got your first loop with which to do your chains, okay? Now I can then pull that free, and it's free to do so. I'm going to just show you again. So remember, you've got your ring finger, hold the yarn in place with your thumb, roll the yarn around again, so you've got two at the back but a cross at the front. When you hold that into place now and then put your hook through the two fingers, you will then have your actual first slip loop, and that loop will then help you to go ahead and do your chain. Now the next video I'm going to show you how to do a chain itself. This particular video is just really to demonstrate to you how to do a first slip loop with which you can then do your chain thereafter. Alright then guys, this is it. I'm done. This is my first video for 2019. My name is Shoshana and you're watching Shoshana's Little Space. If you like this video and you'd like to see more of it, feel free please to subscribe to my channel. I'm on Twitter as well, at Shoshana's on Twitter, and Facebook. So anywhere where you catch me, like my pages, and I'll do my best to do another one of these videos. Alright then, Happy New Year guys, and I will talk to you again.